Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Extended Course, syllabus topic E1 number, module E1.7, which is about standard form, and this is part 4 in which we're going to solve exercise 16 of chapter number 1. We are using complete mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended syllabus written by David Rayner. Okay, so in question number 14, it says if the number 2.74 into 10 raised to power 15 is written out in full, how many zeros follow the 4? So the number is 2.74 into 10 raised to power 15, and he said how many zeros follow 4. It means that how many zeros will be there after 4. We know that it is going to multiply with the 15. It means that this decimal will move 15 places toward the right. How many places? 15 places towards the right. It means that after 4 it has moved 2 places toward the right, and it means that there will be 13 zeros after the 4. So the answer is 13 because the 2 places it has utilized to come after 4 and 13 still to go. So it means 13 zeros will follow the 4. In question number 17, it says oil flows through a pipe at a rate of 40 meter cube per second. How long will it take to fill a tank of volume 1.2 into 10 raised to power 5 meter cube? Right. So it means that look, it says 40 meter cube in 1 second. So this is the rate of flow. So it means that to fill 40 meter cube, it takes 1 second, right? And the capacity of the tank is 1.2 into 10 to the power 5 meter cube. So first of all, let's find out how many seconds it will take to fill up 1 meter cube. So 1 meter cube is, just consider this as equal to sign, this arrow. So for 1 you have to take this 40 onto the other side, because it is multiplied here, it will be divided, so it will be 1 over 40 second, right? Now it is 1 meter cube, and we have to find 1.2 into 10 to the power 5 meter cube. It means you have to multiply this number on both sides. So it is 1.2 into 10 to the power 5 meter cube. See what you did, just consider this equal, just arrow as equal sign. You multiplied this number onto the left, and as in the inequality, if you multiply some number onto the left side, you have to multiply same number onto the right side. So 1 over 40 is already there, and you multiplying 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 5. So these are the number of seconds it will take to fill out with this capacity. Now let's solve it out. So it will be 40 can be written as 1 over 4 into 10, right, into 1.2 into 10 raised to power 5 second, and let's solve it a little bit more. So it will be you can see clearly, it will be 1.2 over 4 into, now see, this is 10, once it go up it will be minus 1, so 10 plus 5 minus 4, it will be 10 plus 4, and it is 1.2 divided by 4. So let's quickly divide 1.2 with the 4. See the first digit 1, it is less than 4, so you have to place the dot, but see, dot is already there, so take the decimal up there. So decimal has moved there. Now it is gone from here, so it is 12 now. So 4 3s are 12, 0 carry, so it is 0.3. So it is 0.3 into 10 raised to power 4, but it's not in standard form. You have to move dot after the first digit, so it will be 3 into 10 raised to power, you have displaced a decimal point 1 place to the right, so it will be minus 1 into 10 raised to power 4, and look at that, 10 raised to power minus 1, 10 raised to power plus 4, bases are same, so you add up the power. So it means that it will be 3 into 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 will be plus 3. So this is the right representation in the standard notation. Further on, if you want to convert into minutes, so you have the answer 3 into 10 raised to power 3 seconds. So it means that you have 3 into 10 raised to power 3 is 1000 second, and 1000 into 3 is 3000 second. It means total you got 3000 second. Now if you want to convert it into minutes, it means that you have to divide 3000 to the 60, right? Because the 1 minute has got 60 seconds. Now it is in a minute now. So 0 and 0 will cancel out, and it is 6 5s are 30 and 0. So it got 50 minutes. So either way, answer is right. Either you write in second or minute. If it is mentioned, then of course you have to write in the required unit. Otherwise, both answers are acceptable. In question number 18, it says find the value of L in standard form, and this is the formula. L is equal to 2 whole under root A over K, and we are given with the values of K, A and K as this one. So let's plug these values of A and K into this formula. So we will have L equals to 2 is whole under root, and A is 4.5 into 10 raised to power 12 over K is 5 into 10 raised to power 7, right? So the best way to solve this type of question is better. What you can do like you can write 4.5 as 45 into 10 raised to power minus 1, because look, you have displaced this decimal onto the right side one place, so it will be, decimal is gone, so you can write like 45 and 10 raised to power minus 1, and it is 10 raised to power 12 is already there, and 5 into 10 raised to power 7 is already there, right? So it will be 2 into, see, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, so you have left with 9 into 10 raised to power minus 1 into 10 raised to power positive 12, so 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 12 will be plus 11 over 10 raised to power 7, and then you have 2 is outside, and see, this 10 raised to power plus 7 you will move up, so it will be 9 into 10 raised to power 11 minus 7, so it will be 2 whole under root 10 into 10 raised to power 11 minus 7 is 4. So what do you do, just take the individual under root, so it will be 2 under root 9 into 10 raised to power 4, and we know that under root is means that 1 over 2, so you have two options, whether you write under root or you write 1 over 2, it's the same thing. So under root 9 is 3, so 3 2s are 6 into, and you see that 2 ones are 2, this is the 4 power, so 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, so it is 10 raised to power 2, so it is 6 into 10 raised to power 2, so this is the standard form. Okay, so in question number 19, A part, it says the number 10 to the power 100 is called a Googol. If it takes 1 over 5 seconds to write a 0 and 1 over 10 seconds to write a 1, how long would it take to write the number of 100 Googols in full? Now see, let's say I've already written some information. It means that to write 0, it takes 0.2 seconds, and to write 1, it takes 0.1 seconds. And we know that 1 Google, I'm just representing capital G with 1 Google. So 1 Google equals to 10 raised to power 100 as given in the information, 10 to the power 100. Now we have to see how long it takes to write 100 Googles. So for 100 Googles, so you have to multiply both sides with 100. So it means that 100 Googles equals to, you have to write 100 here as well, multiply 100 into 10 raised to power 100, right? And here it is, just simplify a bit more, so 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power 100, so it means that 100 Google equals to 10 raised to power 102, right? So this is the information of 100 Googles. Now we have to convert, we have to see how long it takes to write 100 Googles. So 100 Googles equals to 10 raised to power 102. So this information is very critical. See, so it means that to write 10 raised to power 102, you will write 1 only one time, right? And you have to write 102 zeros. How many zeros? 102 zeros. So it means that you will write 102 times 0, right? It means that what it is, 1 will be written only 1, and to write 1 it takes 0.1 second. It means that it is 0.1 second to write 1, and then you have to write how many zeros? 102 zeros. It means that to write 1 0, it takes 0.2 seconds, so it will be 102 multiplied by 0.2, because to write 1 0 takes 0.2 seconds, to write 102 zeros it will take 102 into 0.2. now see that 0.1 can be written as 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3, isn't it, because we have taken decimal on one place to the right, plus keep this 102 as it is, and 0.2 can be written as 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1. Once again you have taken decimal one place to the left. Now see that 10 raised to power minus 1, in fact this is minus 1, minus 1 and 10 raised to power minus 1, you can take these two common, so 10 raised to power minus 1 is common, so the inside will be left 1 plus 102 multiplied by 2, because this 10 raised to power minus 1 is already taken out, so 102 into 2 is 204, and it is 10 raised to power minus 1, 204 plus 1 is 205, so it is in fact 205 into 10 raised to power minus 1, or even you can write 205 power over 10, it's the same thing, because 10 will go down, it will be plus 1. Now 205 divided by 10 is 20.5, so it means to write 100 Googles it will take 20.5 seconds altogether. Okay, this question number 19, part B, is the most interesting one. It says the number 10 to the power of Googol's is called the Googolplex. Using the same speed of writing, how long in years would it take to write one Googolplex in full? Now, I'm just taking abbreviation Googolplex as GP. So it means that 1 GP equals to 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 100, because 10 raised to power 100 is the Googol. So it means 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 100 is one Googolplex. It means that now you have to write this number represent the number of zeros you have to write. It means the number of zeros you have to write is 10 raised to power 100. These are the number of zeros you're going to be right, that is 10 raised to power 100. And we know that 1 0 will take 0.2 seconds to write, and you have to write 10 raised to power how many 100 zeros. For it means that for 10 raised to power 100 zeros, simply multiply on that side as well, so it is 0.2 into 10 raised to power 100, this is in second, and 0.2 you can write like 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1 into 10 raised to power 99, this is in second, keep in mind. So it will be 2 into 19, this is 100 in fact, so 100 minus 1 is 99, so 10 raised to power 99 second. It means that to write this many zeros, that is 10 raised to power 100 0, it will take 2 into 10 raised to power 99 seconds. Now because we have to write in years, so it means that you have to divide this number 2 into 10 raised to power 99 with the number of seconds in an year, because you have to write the answer in the year, so you have to divide this with the number of seconds in a year. So in a year we got 365 days, in one day we got 24 hours, and in 1 hour we got 30 that is 60 minutes, and in 1 minute we got 60 seconds. So if you calculate it with the calculator, it will turn out to be 6.3 into 10 raised to power 91 years. This is that much long to write one Googolplex total number of zeros. And keep in mind, we just ignored the 1, because the 1 you just writing like one time, and one time to write 1 it takes 0.1 second, and look at that quantity and look at that 0.1 second, so it is nothing, it won't affect this answer at all, right? So guys, so this is the end of standard form. So in the next series of video we'll be solving E1.8, so see you there.